What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Blue, back again with another install video. I know it's been a long time, but today we are going to be installing this unit. It's Outre, and I still got the tag on yes to show y'all it really is synthetic, because y'all be thinking I'm lying. But this is Outre's Airtied collection. This is unit HHB loose body width 18 inches. So y'all don't know I ain't talking too much, so let's just get into the install. So Outre sent me this wig, but of course, you know I'm a promote. You can always get this wig from Beauty Exchange, and it's only about $63. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has your two combs in the front. It's a very low density for the hairline, which is good because that's gonna make it easier for you guys to pluck it. If you guys do pluck, I suggest plucking for any unit. But if you guys want to learn how to pluck, my online classes is only $30. They're on sale this month, so text that number to purchase your online class because it's definitely worth it. And you guys will definitely see a difference in your plucking and your installs when you do actually take this class. So this is what the hairline looks like after I plucked it and everything. I decided to add some blonde highlights in there because it was a little too dark for me. Like, I just needed a brighter tone, so I added about 3 or 4 blonde tracks in there to even out the tones, and it actually came out cute, of course. But y'all see the difference in that hairline? Like, if y'all put this wig up in a ponytail pluck like this, it's gonna be melted and it's gonna look like a real hairline. So when I'm doing my installs and everything, I use liquid foundation with the makeup brush and just put the makeup all over the lace to blend it in with my skin tone. Now this lace is some really good lace because it was so thin. Like, this Airtied collection, I could definitely compare it to the bare lace from Sensational because they're definitely similar. They're definitely both thin laces and they definitely melt into your skin so well. So right here, when I'm cutting the lace, that is how you guys need to be cutting your lace, because if you cut your lace straight across, it's gonna show. Like, that harsh line is gonna show. So whenever you cut your lace, please make sure that you are using jagged lines. Now you guys know I have to use my bow hold because if it ain't bow, then it ain't home. Now Tamika said that you guys need to use thin layers when you guys are gluing down your laces, because the hold will be better. So that's what we're doing. We using some thin layers for the bow hold. Now y'all, I just said this, right? Watch how I press this lace into my skin and it just melts in there. Like, this lace is so thin. This is what I'm saying. The fact that I feel like I don't even have to put the band on after this. Like, that's how melted this wig is. But now I'm not gonna lie, these wigs can be a little tight fitting on your head. So I would just suggest, like, if you do end up getting this wig, then make sure you braid your hair down in small braids instead of big ones, so you'll have a flatter foundation for your wigs to lay on. Now, to be honest, I really didn't have no problems with this wig. Like, the hair fibers are good fibers because it barely tangled. I barely had to brush it out. And even when I did have to brush it out, it did not look like no bird's nest. So this is definitely a good grade of synthetic hair. The lace is great. The hairline was nice and easy to pluck. It's just, this wig was great. I don't really have no complaints, to be honest. But y'all see that BX Babe edge band, so make sure y'all go to Beauty Exchange and go get y'all edge bands because they got them now. Yeah. I think I left my band on for about 15-20 minutes, and y'all, look when I take this off. Oh my goodness, like, that John look crazy. Like, it is no lace right there. Where's the lace? Like, hold on, cause I'm about to show y'all a little close up of this John too, cause it's crazy how good this hairline looks and how melted this lace is. It's always good to have thin lace. Like, this is the closest you're gonna get to HD lace on a synthetic wig, I promise you. Because most of the synthetic wigs, they always say, oh, HD lace, but they're all transparent. Transparent laces are fake. This lace is like I said, the closest you're going to get to an HD lace on a synthetic unit. So that's good. That's the good part about it. But other than that, yes, y'all, this is Outre's unit HHB loose body wave 18 inches with a little pop of color added in here from me. But this was a good unit. Like I said, I don't have no complaints. But if you guys like this video, like this install, go follow me on Instagram at 2Blue Collection. I will definitely put it in the description below. Go get y'all Outre units from Beauty Exchange. I will put their the link to their page and the link to this wig in the bio and the caption as well. But if you guys like this video, give it a like and go subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching and enjoy the rest of the install.